Okay, this is just a short video to show you the iCarsoft i930 multi-system scan tool, which is suitable for Land Rover vehicles. In this particular video we're going to look at the Discovery 3 menu to see which systems and modules the i930 will cover when hooking it up to this particular vehicle. So we're just going to go through the menu on the Discovery 3 to see which modules and systems it will actually cover. Okay, so that is the module coverage on the Land Rover Discovery 3 using the iCarsoft i930, which is available just by clicking the link directly below this video if you are interested in this kit to use on your own Discovery. We also have other videos for the Discovery 2 and Discovery 4 as well. Just search this YouTube channel.